Dr. Jeffrey Payne from Payne Chiropractic Center. We want to talk just a few minutes about posture. Posture is so important. Everybody's been told by their mother, stand up straight. Well, that sometimes isn't that easy. What happens with posture, and the reason why posture is so important, is because you're supposed to have three curves in your spine. The lower curve, the lordosis here, goes forward. So your spine goes forward there. It goes backward in the mid-back, and then forward again in the neck here. Now, posture has to do with making sure that these curves are even and you're not hunching over or rounding your shoulders. One of the most important things about a proper posture is, if your posture is important, the lungs and heart are pumps. They're in a negative pressure situation here. So the diaphragm pulls down and the ribs expand to make a negative pressure, and that's how your lungs fill up. That's how your heart uses some of that energy to pump blood around your body. So if you don't have proper posture and you can't expand your lungs or pull down the diaphragm the way you should, over years and years of improper posture, you're not going to have the proper lung or heart function. So it's going to put extra stress and strain on those organs and tissues, and you don't want that. So you can see very simply, if you're straight up like this, everything's going to work properly here. And if you think of like one of the bicycle pumps you used to use when you were a kid, if the canister's straight, the pump works properly. If the canister's bent like this, even a little bit, that pump is not going to work properly. These ribs aren't going to expand, things aren't going to work the way they should. And you're putting pressure not only on the back and getting sore and stiff up through here, but you're also compressing and swelling and putting pressure on the nerves that feed those organs and tissues. So what we do for posture is we make sure that these joints are moving properly. We check and make sure which ones aren't moving, find the ones that aren't moving, and reestablish the normal motion. So if you're having posture problems or you're finding, I just can't ever really straighten up. That's one of the things that I see people say all the time to me after we do work on them, is we say, you know what, we're going to help you with the posture. It's real hard just to say, I'm just going to straighten up. It doesn't work, because you're going to go to where your body's comfortable. But what my job is to maintain it and train these joints to move properly in the mid-back so that this is your natural body position. So you do feel comfortable back here. And we see a whole lot of people that really improve not only their back and neck pain, but also improve the way they breathe, the way they feel, and all kinds of different parts of or aspects of their life. So if you've got any problems, new patients are always free exam and x-rays. Come on in and see us, and thanks for listening.